Hey, what's up everybody? Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and we are here at Overland Expo West, and we're not sure if it's gonna rain or it's just gonna be cold and windy. What lift kit is on this, Kaden?
A Baja Grocery Kit, and it's our Baja Grocery Kit.
So with our Baja Grocery Getter Kit, and who has it but Dave from Drover. And now what does Dave do? I can't explain to you what Dave does, so I'm gonna let Dave handle that. So
sure.
This is Dave.
All right, well thank you, Jeremy. Yeah, like you said, we first equipped the van, first and foremost, the important thing, WeldTec's Baja Grocery Getter Kit. You can see here, running the Fox shocks up front and back. We've got the progressive leaf springs in the rear, and has an awesome ride quality to it, and gives us the clearance that we need for kind of an active off-road van like this. So what we also added to it is ARB air lockers in the rear, and then built out the whole interior, so you basically have the amenities of a full-size RV but in a small van-based package. So if you come inside here, you can take a peek. We have the jackknife sofa, folds out to a bed. We're running a catalytic heater, which is super efficient, and that's kind of what we go for, at least at Drover, is efficiency. And because you're carting around all your resources, you need to make sure you're dipping into them as light as possible. So we have 4 solar panels on the roof, make 400 watts, and that charges up our 200 amp hour AGM battery. So you can run all your electronics all day, not dip into that battery at all, and have that for the night when the sun goes down. And then we also have Nova Cool refrigerator. It only draws 2.2 amp hours. We're using a separate brand composting toilet, so you don't use any water. So you're not dipping in your 30-gallon onboard fresh water. And then we have 45-gallon wastewater tank mounted underneath. And let's see here. That's about it.
You got the tunes going on in here, and as we walked up to this, we had to turn it off, but we're gonna have to turn it back on because look at that. We know we love good tunes when we're out on the trail, so you can see that JL subwoofer just chilling right there. And as we back away from this a little bit, you'll see he's even has a TV mounted to the outside of this with his TV mount. So if you're wanting to do that, that's awesome. You can watch TV on the outside. That door closes. Kaden and I, we could just sit right here. Come on, bud. We could chill right here.
So swing that right.
Yeah, let's have him swing. Austin, jump in here with us.
Yep. So you're tailgating outside. You have the TV outside, enjoying stuff in there, and cools down at night. Here you can fire up a movie and relax on the couch. And
now we're just hanging out in the inside. We could watch a movie, and I'm sure you'd be really happy if we put on a movie, because it's been a long day here for Kaden at Overland Expo West. Yep. He's killing it, and I'll give him, look at this. Check out the new hat right there, Growing Up Garage. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel, Growing Up Garage, where he's got this awesome merch on his page. But definitely a really cool build. We love seeing what you guys are doing with our lift kits, with our vans, and we will put all the links to all of this down below, down there, so that if you guys want more information on what he's doing on these build outs, you'll be able to get information there. Other than that, Kaden, what do you got to say?
I like how our Baja Grocery Kit is on the van.
Yeah, you like, he's all about the lift kit. Yep. Okay, what do you like about the most on the inside of this? What's your favorite thing? If you were to say, what's one thing about this that you totally like, what is it? You like that it's got a toilet in case you got to go take a dump?
Yeah, you don't want to use the porta potty.
No way, we don't want to use those.
Yep.
Or it's got a refrigerator back here for you to keep all your juice boxes and fruit snacks in.
I like how on the TV and the sink, like, it feels like a motorhome.
It does feel like a motorhome. That's pretty cool. Yep. I like it. I'm digging it. Yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed this awesome van build here that we got to get a chance to take a tour of here at Overland Expo West. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Tell us what you guys like about it. I'm sure we're gonna hear what you don't like about it, but hopefully you guys give us a thumbs up on this video, right? Thumbs up, little man. And what else should they do while they give us a thumbs up?
They should subscribe to my channel.
So subscribe
And
to his
hit
channel.
that subscribe bell.
There it is. Hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.